Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can take screenshots in Davinci Resolve, so let's get right into it. Now, in Davinci Resolve, they're not exactly called screenshots, they are known as stills, and stills are literally just one image of a single frame that you want to export by its own, or that you just in general want to separate from the video that you're editing. Now, as you can see, I have added this video of two horses galloping, and let's say, for example, I want to take this still as a screenshot. What you want to do first is go into the gallery option, or the tab in the bottom. It is the third from the right. Then you want to click on the gallery, or rather this is the color stage, and you want to go into the gallery. Then once you're here, you will see your stills, and as you can see, I only have one still, which I will promptly delete. And if I wanted to grab this as a still, all you need to do, right click on it and click grab still, and as you can see, it appeared in the gallery under stills, and I have this sort of screenshot by its own. Now that I've done that, what you need to do, right click it, then click export, and then you need to select where you want to save it and which format you want to save it as, for example BMP, and then you just click export, and that is pretty much all you have to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.